Welcome back to another video, team. In this video, we will be breaking down the basics of the stock market, including what it is, how it works, and the different types of securities that are traded on it. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting to explore the world of trading, this video will provide you a comprehensive understanding of the stock market and help you make informed decisions when buying and selling securities.
Let's begin with understanding what a stock is. A stock, also known as a share, represents a unit of ownership in a publicly traded company. If a company wants to raise capital, it can do so by issuing stocks. Now, the stock market, also known as the equity market, is the marketplace where these shares are bought and sold by investors and traders.
The stock market is made up of exchanges such as the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ, which are the ones that we focus on the most. These exchanges list the stocks of publicly traded companies, and investors can buy and sell these stocks through a broker. The value of a stock can fluctuate based on a variety of factors, including a company's financial performance, economic conditions, and/or investor sentiment. Investors and traders make their profit by buying stocks at a low price, then selling them later at a higher price, or by receiving dividends, which are simply payments made by the company to its shareholders. Of course, this isn't the only way to make a profit in the market, but these are the most common ways.
Now let's talk about the different sectors in the stock market. Sectors refer to groups of companies that operate in the same industry and/or field. These sectors are used to classify stocks and are useful to understanding the performance and trends of these different industries. Some examples of sectors within the stock market can include healthcare, technology, industrial, consumer goods, and much more. Keep in mind that the performance of a certain stock can be influenced by its sector and also vice versa. For example, if the technology sector is performing well, stocks such as Apple and Microsoft, which are part of the technology sector, will also lean to perform well. And vice versa, if individual stocks like Microsoft and Apple come out with positive news and/or financials, the rest of the technology sector will perform in a positive manner as well. Of course, every company is its own security and is affected in its own way, but this happens very often within the stock market.
There are many different types of stocks that could be bought or sold on the stock market, and here are some examples. First, we have common stock. This is the most common type of stock and represents ownership in a company. Holders of common stock have voting rights and are entitled to receive dividends. Second, we have preferred stock. This type of stock represents a higher level of ownership within a company as they are entitled to receive dividends before common stockholders. The downside is preferred stockholders typically don't have voting rights where common stockholders do. Third, we have blue chip stocks. These are stocks of well-established and financially stable companies. Lastly, we have penny stocks. These are seen to be of higher risk but seek the benefit of higher rewards. Companies trading under $5 a share are typically seen as penny stocks.
It is worth mentioning that the stock market plays a significant role in the economy, as it allows companies to raise capital, hire new employees, and create new products and services. Also, the stock market is used as an indicator of the overall health of the economy. When the stock market is performing well, it is a sign that the economy is healthy and strong, and vice versa. When the stock market is performing poorly, it is seen that the economy is in a poor state. Understanding the stock market can provide valuable insight on the overall economy and also allow investors to make informed decisions when buying and selling securities. Remember, team, participating in the stock market does come with risks, so it's important to have an understanding of the risks involved prior to taking action.
With that being said, team, if you have any further questions, please reach out to us through our questions channel in the Discord, or feel free to message myself or one of the other creators in the group.